introduced Clarifruit, our quality control process was slower and more subjective, relying purely on the experience of the QC inspectors. But now, with the help of this technology, we can do multiple inspections in a fraction of the time, ensuring that only the highest quality pineapples make it to the store shelves. The biggest time saver of the app is with the QC report auto-generation and the ability to see it globally once online. At Dole, Clarifruit significantly helped the way we do the quality inspections from the farms until the fruits arrive at the markets. The QC Manager's tool is the dashboard, where they can get the analyzed data in seconds and easily control the fruit traffic. Traceability is easy with the ability to filter live reports. Any problem from a specific source can be located and handled immediately. Clarifruit's platform allows us to better match the fruit quality at the farms with customers' specifications or requirements, which we expect to translate to waste reduction along our supply chain.
As the Technical Services Manager, I've seen firsthand how much easier Clarifruit has made our quality inspection process for our teams. From the farm sources in Mindanao, Philippines, to our local market in Manila, and to international destinations such as China, Japan, Korea, Hong Kong, United Arab Emirates, and New Zealand. The inspection procedure is standardized, subjectivity in fruit size and color readings is eliminated, and results are instantly available. This has saved us time and energy, and I'm confident that Dole pineapples arriving at the stores are of the highest quality.